Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Pod. My name's Marco.
And I'm Catherine. Today's lesson is, well, not very comfortable.
That's right. Today, we're talking about pain.
Specifically, a kind of pain that almost everyone has experienced at least once.
We're going to the dentist.
I hate the dentist.
You're not alone. In today's dialogue, someone has a serious tooth problem and needs treatment.
So, listen carefully, and we'll be back to break everything down step by step.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem today?
I've had a really bad toothache since last night. My cheek is swollen, and I can't eat properly.
All right. Let me take a look. Please open your mouth. This doesn't look very good.
What's wrong?
Your wisdom tooth is coming in sideways. It's pressing against your molars, which is why you're feeling so much pain.
So, does that mean you have to remove it?
Possibly. We may need to pull it out completely.
When you pull it out, will you also have to remove the nerve and the root?
First, we'll take some x-rays to see exactly what we're dealing with. I also notice a small cavity here, so you'll need a filling as well.
I guess that's what I get for not brushing and flossing regularly.
That could be part of the problem. Eating too many sweets doesn't help either.
Will it hurt?
I'll administer an anesthetic. You won't feel a thing. All right, let's start breaking this down.
The main problem in today's lesson is a toothache.
The word ache means pain or soreness.
So a toothache means pain in your teeth or teeth.
You can use ache with many body parts.
For example, headache, stomachache, backache.
So you could say, I have a terrible headache, or I have a bad stomachache.
In the dialogue, the patient says her cheek is swollen.
Swollen means bigger than normal, usually because of injury or infection.
For example, if you hit your finger and it becomes big and puffy, it's swollen.
You can say, my ankle is swollen. His eye is swollen after the accident.
Now let's talk about wisdom teeth.
These are the teeth at the very back of your mouth.
Most people have 4 wisdom teeth.
They usually come in when you're older, around 18 to 25.
Sometimes there isn't enough space, and that causes pain.
The dentist said the wisdom tooth is pressing against the molars.
Molars are the flat teeth at the back of your mouth.
They're used for chewing food.
They're not sharp like your front teeth.
The dentist says he might pull out the tooth.
Pull out means to remove something completely.
Another formal word is extract.
So dentists extract teeth.
Teeth have nerves which let you feel pain.
They also have roots, like plants.
The root holds the tooth in your gums.
To stop pain, the dentist gives an anesthetic.
An anesthetic makes the area numb.
That's why the dentist says you won't feel a thing.
The patient says, that's what I get for not brushing my teeth.
This phrase means this is the result of my actions.
For example, I failed the exam. That's what I get for not studying.
The dentist says he wants to take x-rays to see what he's dealing with.
This means to understand the situation before acting.
Doctors say this to mean you won't feel pain.
Even though sometimes you do. Let's listen to the dialogue one more time.
Marco, did you ever have your wisdom teeth removed?
Yes, all 4. It was awful.
I still have mine. My dentist says I'm lucky.
Lucky for now.
So today we learned vocabulary about dentists and tooth pain.
Have you ever had a tooth pulled?
Share your story in the comments.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're still with us, congratulations.
Yes, because this is where we really slow things down and focus on using the language naturally.
Exactly. In this part, we're going to practice the vocabulary, look at real-life situations, and talk about dentist culture.
So don't worry if you're afraid of the dentist. This part is painless.
Let's quickly review the most important words from today's lesson.
First, toothache.
A toothache is pain in your tooth.
You can say, I have a terrible toothache. I can't sleep because of my toothache.
Next word, swollen.
Swollen means bigger than normal because of pain, injury, or infection.
For example, my cheek is swollen. Her ankle is swollen after she fell.
Next, wisdom tooth.
Wisdom teeth are the last teeth at the back of your mouth.
They usually grow when you're an adult.
Next word, molar.
Molars are the flat teeth you use to chew food.
Next phrase, pull out.
Pull out means remove something completely.
Dentists pull out teeth.
Next word, anesthetic.
An anesthetic makes part of your body numb so you don't feel pain.
Now let's do some repetition practice.
Repeat after us. I have a bad toothache.
My cheek is swollen.
The dentist wants to pull out my wisdom tooth.
I need an anesthetic.
You won't feel a thing.
Let's listen to a simpler version of the conversation.
What's the problem?
I have a toothache.
Is it painful?
Yes, very painful.
I need to take an x-ray. This is very basic, but extremely common English.
You don't need complicated grammar to communicate pain.
Now let's make it more natural.
What seems to be the problem?
I've been having tooth pain for a few days.
Does it hurt when you chew?
Yes, especially on this side.
Notice how natural this sounds.
Short sentences, clear meaning.
The patient says, I've had a toothache since last night.
This is the present perfect tense.
We use it to talk about something that started in the past and continues now. Examples: I've had this pain for 3 days. She's had tooth problems for years. I've been feeling pain all week.
Very useful when talking to doctors.
You can say, I have a terrible toothache. I can't sleep because of my toothache.
Very useful when talking to doctors.
Let's talk about dentist culture for a moment.
In some countries, people only visit the dentist when they're in pain.
In other countries, people go for regular checkups every 6 months.
In English-speaking countries, dentists often ask many questions.
For example, does it hurt here? How long has this been bothering you?
Many people are afraid of dentists.
So let's look at how people talk about fear naturally. I'm scared of the dentist. I hate going to the dentist. I get nervous before dental appointments. I'm worried it will hurt.
Doctors often respond with calming phrases.
Like, try to relax. It won't take long. You'll be fine. Now it's your turn.
Pause the video and answer out loud. What's the problem?
How long have you had the pain?
Does it hurt when you eat?
If you can answer these questions, you're doing great.
In Part 4, we focused on practice, culture, and confidence.
But we're not done yet.
In Part 5, we'll go even deeper.
We'll talk about habits, mistakes, advanced expressions, and fluency training.
Welcome to Part 5, the final extension of today's lesson.
This part is all about thinking in English, not translating.
The patient says, "That's what I get for not brushing my teeth." This sentence talks about cause and result.
That's what I get for verb ing.
That's what I get for staying up late. That's what he gets for eating too much sugar. That's what we get for not preparing.
This structure is very natural in spoken English.
Let's level up your English.
This means delaying something.
Example, I've been putting off my dentist visit.
This means something has been annoying or hurting you.
The pain has been bothering me for days.
This means the pain or situation is too much. How long has this been bothering you?
Honestly, I've been putting off this visit for months.
That's pretty common.
I know, but I can't take the pain anymore. This is very real English.
When you talk to a dentist, don't translate in your head.
Think in simple ideas.
I am feeling a pain inside my tooth area. My tooth hurts.
You're the patient.
We're the dentists.
What brings you in today?
How long have you had this problem? Does it hurt when you chew?
If you can do this smoothly, your English is solid.
So today we covered a lot: vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and real-life English.
If you followed all 5 parts, amazing job.
Remember, English is not about perfection.
It's about communication.
See you next time.
Bye.